You want flavor? I got flavor. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. Yeah, if you want flavor, I got flavor. And this is a great egg tip. If you love fried eggs, man, we are gonna kick it up a notch and make these eggs the best they can be. Today we're gonna do pesto fried eggs. Yeah, you got it. Pesto fried eggs are amazing and it's so simple. Let me show you how it's done. The first thing we're gonna do is get a couple of large BC eggs. Always remember that every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get, and 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. So what we're gonna do is take a couple of these eggs and crack them into portion cups ahead of time. By doing that, you have an opportunity to check to make sure you haven't broken the yolk, and that's gonna give you incredible presentation. You make sure that there's no shells in there, so you're not rushing around, trying to do it in the pan and pick out the shells, or maybe you broke a yolk. It's just a lot easier to be prepared in portion cups. We're going to heat up a medium-sized pan over medium heat. And if you check out bcegg.com and you click on the Eggs 101 link, you will find that I have a video there on how to fry an egg perfectly. And I like to use butter. Julia Child would say the same thing. But today, how we're gonna create this flavor profile that make these eggs just out of this world is we're gonna do pesto instead of butter or oil. So once that pan is warm, we're going to add our pesto. You can use store-bought pesto, your own homemade pesto, whatever you like. And we're just going to spread it around a little bit. And all we're going to do is take our lovely BC eggs and put them in the pan one at a time. Add a little bit of salt, fresh cracked pepper, and just let them cook. You're waiting for the egg whites to set, and we're going to keep that beautiful yolk the way it is. You can, if you like, take a little bit of the pesto and put it on top of the whites a little bit, just to give it some more contrast in color when you're plating it. And yeah, we're just waiting for the egg whites to set. The outer parts have set already. You can see that. And we're just waiting for that inner part to set a little bit more. This is going to ensure that the yolks stay nice and runny. You can, if you want, put a little bit of tin foil or a lid over top, but it's gonna make the presentation of the yolks a little bit more opaque. I don't wanna do that. I wanna keep them sunny side up like this. I could go a little bit more on the whites, but I think I'm gonna pull them out right now. Let me show you how to plate these. So I have a couple pieces of toast here and I put some cream cheese on there. I really like the creaminess of having something like that. You could do goat cheese instead of cream cheese if you want to. And I'm just gonna lay those beautiful pesto fried eggs right on top. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Now this part is optional, but I like the flavor and Parmesan goes really great with pesto. And I'm just going to do a little dusting of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano on top of those eggs. There you have it, pesto fried eggs. You're going to love these. Make sure you're checking out all the other recipes, great egg tips and tricks at bcegg.com. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?